Hello guys, this is Srinivasra Peruri, math educator. Yes, today I am going to explain circles topic. Okay, right. So here two circles given. S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. Be two circles. Okay, with the centers, yes, with the center, yes, C1 and C2, radii, okay, right, R1, R2 respectively. I repeat, let S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 be two circles with the centers C1, C2 and the radii R1, R2 respectively. Right. Yes. Now here, first point is if C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Distance between the centers is greater than sum of the radii. Then what is the position of the circles? So two circles do not intersect like this. Two circles do not intersect like this. This one is right, C1, and this one is C2. Yeah, this one is R1 and this one is R2. Right. So total distance is equal to like this, C1, C2. Right. If C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then two circles do not intersect. Then S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 are not intersect. Right. That is the point number 1. Okay, right. Now, so here tangents draw them. Yeah. Like this. Okay. So if the two circles lie same side of the line L, I repeat, if the two circles lie same side of the line L, then that line L is called direct common tangent. Understood? Okay, right. So this one is direct common tangent. Yeah, direct common tangent. This also direct common tangent. If two circles lie same side of the line, okay, L is equal to 0, then that line L is called direct common tangent. Why it is a tangent? Touches the circle. That is called right, tangent. Okay, guys. Right. Now, if two circles like this, yeah, like this. Now, if two circles lie opposite side of the line L equal to 0, then that line is called transverse common tangent. Yes, a transverse common tangent. So here, yes, okay, direct common tangent, direct common tangent. Simply denoted like this, DCT. Yes, transverse common tangent, that is equal to TCT. So here with respect to commutative track, if C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then how many common tangents are there? 4. What are they? 2 DCTs and 2 TCTs. This is equal to 0 to 0 to total 4. Total 4. Okay, guys. I repeat. Let S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 be two circles with the center C1, C2 and radii R1, R2 respectively. Yes. If C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, okay, distance between the centers is greater than sum of the radii, then okay, S is equal to 0, two circles are not intersect. Okay, right. So how many common tangents are there? 4 common tangents. What are they? Yeah, 2 DCTs and 2 TCs. Direct common tangent means if the 2 circles lie same side of the line, yeah, same side of the line, this also same side of the line L, then that is called direct common tangent. And okay, if 2 circles lie opposite side of the, look at the board, yeah, this one is, these 2 are opposite. Yes, for example like this, these 2 are opposite. So this one is transverse common tangent. Yeah, transverse common tangent. Now, yeah, I suppose that this one is P, point of intersection. Point of intersection is equal to P. How to find, okay, right, this point P. That point P is equal to external center of similitude. That point P is called external center of similitude. Yes. Now here let C1 is equal to, yes, let C1 is equal to, yes, x1 comma y1 and C2 is equal to x2 comma y2. I consider that. Okay, right. Now P is equal to, yes, external center of similitude. That P does not lie joining the center. It is extended line of C1, C2. That's why it is external center of similitude. I repeat, that point P does not lie between line joining the centers. It is okay, right, extended line of C1, C2. That's why, okay, now, okay, P divides line joining the center is in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally, right? Externally means R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2 and R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. That's it. This is the point, okay, P bit. This is external center of similitude. External center of similitude. Okay guys, this is case number 1. If C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then 2 circles do not intersect. Okay, right. Then number of common tangents is equal to 4. 2 DCs, 2, okay, right, 2 DCTs, direct common tangent 2 and transverse common tangent 2. Okay, right. Yes. Now P is equal to external center of similitude, point of intersection of direct common tangents. Point of intersection of direct common tangents. Now what about these points are? So this is the point Q. This is internal center of similitude. Why? Because Q lies line joining the centers. That's why it is internal. Okay, right. Yes. Now, okay, Q is equal to internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. That is equal to, yes, R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. That's it. This is the point. This is the case 1. Complete data. Right, beta? Once you check it, whatever the problem, right? If C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, okay, one one question is there in the AP set. Okay, number of common tangents of 2 circles. Once you check it, first to find the centers and radii, then if C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then number of common tangents is equal to 4. That's it. Okay, right? Yes. Now this is number 1. Now second point. If C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, if C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, then okay, now 2 circles S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 touches externally. That's it. Externally. So like this, Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Two circle touches externally. Okay, right. So this is, yeah, center C1 and this one is center C2. Yeah. This one is equal to R1 and this one is equal to R2. Okay, right. Yes. Now number of common tangents is equal to like this. Yeah. This one. Okay, right? And this also. Yeah. Okay. This one is point P. Right. So number of common tangents is equal to, yes, number of common tangents is equal to how much beta? Okay, right? 3. Okay, right? This one is DCT, direct common tangent, and this also direct common tangent, and this one is transverse common tangent. So here, yeah, DCT 2 and TCT, okay, 1. Direct common tangent is equal to 2 and transverse common tangent is equal to 1. Okay, right? Clear na beta? Yes. Now third point. Third point. Yes. If C1 C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. If C1 C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2, then two circles, then S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 touches internally. That's it, internally. Okay, right. So this one is, yeah, touches internally. Right? So this one is, yeah, C1 and this one is C2, just like this. Okay, and this one is number of common tangents is equal to only 1. Yes, number of common tangents is equal to 0, 1. Which one is this one? Two circle lie same side. Same side means direct common tangent. So DCT, okay, 1 and TCT 0. No TCT. Okay, right. So here, if C1, C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2, then two circles are touches, okay, internally. It is rolling inside like this. Okay, right. So number of common tangents is equal to 1, DCT 1, TCT 0. Okay, right. So this is, okay, say for example, point P. Okay. Circles are touches, okay, right, internally. Point is externally. Point of contact. This is the point of contact. Okay, right. If the circles touches internally, then P is externally. Okay, right. Why? Because this P does not lie joining the center of C1 C2. It is lie external line of C1 C2. That's why it is external. So P is equal to same point. P is equal to, yes, R1 X2 minus R2 X1 by R1 minus R2. R1 by 2 minus R2 by 1 by R1 minus R2. Point of contact. That one. Okay. So 3 cases completed. Now fourth point. Yes, if, yeah, S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to B, two circles with the center C1, C2 and radii R1, R2 respectively. If, yes, modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2. Then then two circles, then S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points. Intersect in two distinct, okay, right, points like this. That's it. Okay, right. If modulus of, right, R1 minus R2 less than, right, C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, then two circles S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points like this. Number of common tangents is equal to, yeah, like this. This one is C1 and this one is C2. Yeah, this is point P. Yes, number of common tangents is equal to number of common tangents is equal to 2. So DCT, okay, 2 and TCT, right, 0. DCT 2 and TCT, right, okay, 0. Thank you.